It was a rubbish morning on the island of Sodor. Thomas the tank engine's blue. Hello, Thomas, whistled Percy. You look sweet, whistled Percy. You look so smart. Yes, indeed, boasted Thomas. I like my brown paint, said Toby. I've always been green. I wouldn't want to be any other colour either, added Percy. Blue is the only colour for a really useful engine.
Ever heard of opinions? Yeah, ever heard of opinions and your opinion is wrong?
Percy said no more. The last load poured down. Help! I'm choking! Ha ha, chuckled Percy. Fancy a really useful blue engine like Thomas becoming a disgrace to the Fat Controller's railway. Oh, wailed Percy, help! It was time for Thomas to leave. He had seen everything.